Arnold Palmer Regional Airport.
Palmer Tower, information kilo, time 11450, 1150 at 5, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 8, dew point -3, altimeter 3013. Visual approach, runway 23 in use. Runway 321 and taxiways Hotel and Juliet closed. Advise on initial contact.
Let me call and get a clearance.
Palmer ground, citation November 80 Hotel Bravo.
Citation 80 Hotel Bravo, Palmer ground.
Roger, ma'am, we have Kilo, and we're looking for an IFR to Lake Charles, Louisiana.
Citation 80 Hotel Bravo, clear to Charlie, Whiskey, Foxtrot Airport. Via please intersection, then as filed. Climb and maintain 5,000. Expect flight level 40010 minutes after departure. Cleveland Center departure frequency 121.2. Correction, Johnstown departure frequency 121.2. Squawk 4145.
80 Hotel Bravo is clear to Charlie Whiskey Foxtrot Airport, please as filed. 5,000 initial altitude. Expect flight level 40010 minutes after departure. Johnstown 121.2, squawk 4145, and I did mention we have Kilo.
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo.
Okay.
Read back correct.
And let's continue here. Approaches to trims. 1, 2, and wow, that one is way up to the top there. Go. Trim set. Flight controls. Free and clear. Speed brakes, ground spoilers, check. Got it on there, and got it on that there. All the wires are back connected. Flaps check set 15. Hydraulic pressure. Okay, let's see what we got. 30,003. That's good. Takeoff speeds are in. Okay, wait. Avionics check set. 4145, 21.8, 25.0. 21.2. 21.2. Altimeter is 3013. Got it. Okay.
And mash it to one more time.
Pressurization, it looks good, 10 feet. Active under exterior license required for very. We are ready to taxi.
Perfect.
Okay.
Palmer ground, citation 80 Hotel Bravo is ready to taxi from Venal.
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, runway 23, taxi via Alpha.
23 via Alpha, 80 Hotel Bravo.
23 via Alpha, right side is clear.
Got it in there. Okay. Rudder bias here as soon as we get straightened out on the runway. I don't like to do it here because it speeds you up.
It does. And now we're going downhill too.
Yeah, you're going downhill, and you know you got to ride the brakes all the way down to the end of the runway. But here we go. 1. Good one. 2. Good one. All right. Very good.
We're on the way.
We are on our way. Altimeter check, 1150, 1150.
Sure, speed, wings level, no flags, 57, 55, 55, 0 rate of climb, takes down.
If we could work our way around that stuff or get over it, even if
I think we're going to be over most of that
we
stuff.
go over 40, depth of 45.
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, Palmer Tower, fly runway heading, maintain 5,000, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
Runway 23, clear for takeoff, 80 Hotel Bravo, roger.
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, fly runway heading.
Roger, runway heading clear for takeoff, straight out, 80 Hotel Bravo, roger.
Ready?
Yes.
Speedos are on.
Right side is clear.
Right side, takeoff, takeoff. And we're just going to go straight out. Are here we go. Let's pay attention here now.
Yep.
Sterile cockpit.
Yes, sir. I'll bring this around for you.
Yeah.
Since that's what she said.
33.
Good.
Are you ready?
And we are ready. We go now.
Power's coming up.
And power is set.
Takeoff power. 2 good engines.
Airspeed's aligned both sides.
Citation 1 Alpha Papa.
80 mile cross is good.
3 taxi via Alpha.
V1 and rotate. Let's go 5.
Altimeter 3013. I have an amendment to your departure frequency.
Oh, that
Departure frequency will be Johnstown departure 121.2. Zero Hotel Bravo, contact Johnstown departure 121.2.
121.2, 80 Hotel Bravo. Johnstown departure, Citation November 80 Hotel Bravo with you, climber through 3,000 for 5,000.
Citation 80 Hotel Bravo, good morning, Johnstown departure, and climb and maintain 8,000, Johnstown altimeter 3015.
Roger, up to 8,000, 80 Hotel Bravo, Roger.
Citation 80 Hotel Bravo, ident and say altitude leaving at this time.
We're leaving 3,800 for 8,000.
Supposed to be on runway heading.
Citation 80 Hotel Bravo, radar contact 4 miles southwest of Palmer Airport. You can see that direct, please, and then as filed, maintain 8,000.
Direct, please, and then as filed, 8,000, 80 Hotel Bravo.
Delta 2054, contact Memphis 133.07.
2307 on 2054.
3307.
3307, good day.
United 1534, turn
Yeah, this looks
right,
easy so far.
heading 250, and I got a new route for you.
250 on the heading for United 1534. I am ready to copy.
You
United
love that, don't you?
1534,
Yep, I do. See what we got. Get the Big Panther in there.
Good. And got the ghost needles. We're good.
Temperature okay?
Yep.
I don't need to turn the engine off. Good.
Our initial was
I got ghost needles.
Sabine,
This is going to be bumpy here. Hold on.
Shoals, and then direct.
I'd go direct to that CF 14 or 15.
You would?
Yeah, just it'll put the needles where you
Well,
need them.
yeah, right now we're pretty much direct Chenault, and then we'll be staying just a little bit north.
Yeah, but I'm not navigating.
Right, you're just going on heading.
Towards
And
Tango
it'll switch around
78.
for you.
More or less, just kind of staying to the north side of this build-up.
I don't,
There's 24 Papa, run.
he's got this to intercept me there. If we get past this, we should be in a clear here. Well, no,
Yeah.
I guess not. There's 17 miles, CF-15. Go to 260 here. Now we got ground contact.
I don't know what you were worried about.
I'm worried. I don't see the plane yet on it.
Altitude.
4 for 3. Get that message out of there. Oh boy, oh boy. Got a big tire right there, buddy.
Is that right?
Yep. Big one. We're only a few hundred feet above it. 500 maybe.
That must, there we
See it right there?
Yep, it's right there. 1,549 feet.
Yeah, that's 1,500 feet below us.
Looks closer to that.
Looks closer. Alright. Needle is where it's supposed to be on this part.
Yeah.
There's the plane.
We're doing good now.
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, descend and maintain 2,000.
2000, 80 Hotel Bravo, Roger.
Altitude.
Ready for 2.
Yep. Getting emails. I know I'm getting close. All right, let's see. Well, we're still a long way from intercepting here. We'll see how it works out. It's coming down.
Yeah.
And we'll get approach flaps here pretty soon.
Yeah, we're still
pretty far away.
Yeah, still 12, 14 miles out.
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, fly heading 240.
240, 80 Hotel Bravo, Roger.
Well, there's that big storm down there, see it?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a little stuff popping up. Okay, timing's pretty good here.
Yeah. It's at 10 o'clock. I got the ghost needle and I got the ADF is correct. I got it off to my left.
Very good.
Are you narrating this ILS approach?
I will when you get there.
All right.
That's what I would do. Again, I would put CF-15 back to the blue, but that's me.
Yeah, that's you.
I know you don't do that.
I don't.
That's what I do.
I do.
That way the needles line up. The ghost needles.
Yeah, I see that now. It's behind me.
Yep.
But it's not, really.
But it'll show you the intercept, yeah.
It's not.
It will.
No, CF-15 is not behind me. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's out here?
Yeah, it's right there. Yep.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I didn't see that.
Yep. So
now I can put it behind me, yeah. Then the needles line up. You're absolutely correct.
Yeah. Where's that?
How about my speed, huh? Right on, or?
I'll tell you.
I'm telling you.
You must have had the best instructor in the whole world.
I did. Dave Erickson. You set yourself up for
I did. You're right. You're absolutely.
Station 0 Hotel Bravo, 5 miles from Mossy, turn left heading 170, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS approach.
Roger, heading 170, maintain 2000 until established, clear for the ILS 15 approach, 80 Hotel Bravo.
And clear for the approach.
Yeah, I'll press it.
Yep. So as you press the button, the approach and localizer and glide slope armed up on the scoreboard up here.
And if you notice that the ADF is lining up as well.
Yep.
All right, the needles are green.
Needles just moved over.
Yeah, and I'm maintaining 2000.
The blue altitude at this point doesn't mean anything.
So I could put it to 0 if I wanted.
Put it to 0, yes, sir.
All right, we'll do that.
Bravo contact, Chenault Tower 124.2.
124.2, good day, 80 Hotel Bravo.
And we got the glide slope is alive. So,
Chenault Tower, citation November 80 Hotel Bravo with you on the ILS 15.
Citation 80 Hotel Bravo, Chenault Tower, good morning, sir. Runway 15, clear to land. Verify you have information, Lima.
I have information, Lima, and we're clear to land 15, 80 Hotel Bravo.
So, yeah.
I'll get down here
and
and put the
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, safe flight conditions on final.
It's actually clear, and it's just a light layer below us, probably about 1,500, 1,300 feet scatter clouds.
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, roger.
I see the airport right in front of me.
Yeah, pretty easy now.
Yeah.
Autopilot.
Okay.
It looks good. So you got a glide slope on the localizer. Things are looking great. Gear down, put some drag down there.
Yeah, I need some of that. I'm at 180 knots here. I'm 68 now.
And 3 green, no red. That looks good. That's runway 15 ahead. Looking very, very nice.
The winds are really strong.
The winds are calm. Winds are calm. I'll give you 15
I said that as a joke.
I realized that at the time. Going, no, see, I trusted you, and that was my mistake.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, I'm going to select full flaps now and slow her down to Reference speed of 110 and 103.
Very good.
We have 10,000 feet. We could take off and land again if we needed to.
More than once, yeah.
Yeah, if I bounce on the first one, I'll just... Uh-oh.
Yeah, what was that?
Speed brakes.
Yeah.
I got it.
Okay. 3 green, no red. It is runway 15 straight ahead. You are clear to land. So just a little bit high, but just a tiny bit.
Right. Not a problem.
Not a problem at all. Speed's coming back nicely. Perfect. Right on ref, on glide slope, on localizer, on speed. Couldn't ask for more than that.
Give that center line right in the middle there.
Like butter. Very, very nice. Millionaire's off to the right.
And Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, would you like to take it down to Bravo, sir, or 180 back to Charlie?
I'd like to do 180 back to Charlie if I could.
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, roger. B permits 180 back, taxi approved, the taxiway Charlie.
80 Hotel Bravo, thank you.
Ground is 121.65.
Yep. And while your fingers are down there, try to feel this. Leave the strobes on because that makes you happy.
Okay, after landing checklist, speed brakes are up, flaps are up, torpedoes are off,
and trims look good.
Trims look okay for the next departure.